Okay. Okay, that's my entry. I just had the signal. It was not on this phone, so this will be my last trade. I'm almost at $100. I don't know if I can do any more trade, but okay, I think this will be my last trade. Why? Because I've already done all my trades. Let me show you this trade. You can see it's just half tick. It's not even up to a seconds. Now, I think this is a second day of this week. So remember, I always make withdrawal once I have 100%. This is almost 100%. So I'm still also going to make a withdrawal. Now, the reason why it's not $150, it should be 25 is because yesterday I only did about 3 trades. So today I've already done, probably maybe I should show you. And because I think I was also not doing okay, you can see I've already done other trades, right? So I think right now I'm going to make a withdrawal, and I'm going to make a withdrawal using a payment agent, right? I'm a payment agent, so I can withdraw to myself. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've clicked on the link. So right now, just always look for TMNmedia. When you want to make your withdrawal, you look for TMNmedia. You just go to the T section, TMNmedia. You don't need to put anything in the payment agent ID. And I can get to now withdraw and say 47.25. That's the profit for the 2 days. So I can say submit. Now immediately you see this level, you can make your withdrawal. But if you do not see the level, please watch the previous video about withdrawal. You can go to DP2P and make your withdrawal. You can see I've just been able to make a withdrawal, right? So this is profit for 2 days. So I'm back with my stake again, so I can get to trade again and make another withdrawal. So this way you get to make money slow, steady, not in a rush, and you're not going to be risking too much. You're not going to be exposing yourself to too much. Just 3 to 5 trades and you're good. You don't have to do, if the signal is not available, leave it. Right now, the reason why I stopped trading is because signal is not currently available. So, and I don't want to continue stretching myself. I just want to wrap it up. So guys, God bless you. See you in another video. Okay, just while after I made withdrawal, I had 2 more signal coming in and they were so strong. So I had to take the signal. I was already done for the day, right? So I just took these 2 signals, 25 and 100. So they were very strong signals. And look at my statement. This was pretty much after the withdrawal, right? So now I withdraw 47.25. Now I need to withdraw this. I'm going to withdraw it. Why? Because I always like starting afresh. So I'm going to add it up to it. Okay, so I have clicked on the link. Now this is 13.01. So I submit and I confirm. So now I'm back to $50 again. Now I need to let you know the total sum. I think I'll be able to see that from statement. So where is my calculator? I need you to understand it's slow and steady. I think I withdrew 47. Let me be sure. The first one was 47.25. Okay, 25. This may look small to you. The second is 13.01. This may look small to you. Now this is profit of $60.26 multiplied by 465. Let's say for people who actually sell, the selling price is 35, right? Now this is 26,000 naira 200 in 2 days. If I divide these by 2, meaning for each day I'm making a sum of 13,000 naira. Is it possible for you to be doing this stressless? Yes. With a subscription of $40 or $50, you in a month, you will be able to be getting the same signal I'm using to do this trade. The same signal. The same signal. You're wondering, what is the signal? How do you receive the signal? You will be receiving your signal on your MT5, just like this. We're saying it, these are the signals coming in. The signals come in and you place your trade. So there are instructions, there are manual, and there are period you also have to plan and learn. So this thing you need to understand. It's important. Slow, easy, steady does it. God bless you. See you in another time.